about to go up Gold Mountain Trail. Got my boy John, Matt from Mac Automotive, Nacho in his 76 Land Cruiser. Bringing this up. Matt's rig. This 10. Let's get it. Alright, guys, we're just starting Gold Mountain Trail, Black Diamond Trail on Big Bear Mountain. As you can see, we got Matt behind us. And we got the rest of the guys going up.
Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground.
We're moving forward so that everyone's got room. Yeah. Taco on 40s. That's right. Oh yeah, here it goes. Show the tabletop. We're gonna go up right here. So.
Whoa. So cool like that, yeah. Just have to do it. Wow. Got it. Very good. Okay, I think we did
So you
it.
see that? I didn't fight the steering wheel. I let it kind of steer where I wanted to go.
Whoa, look at all the dust in here.
I think that guy's got the right idea. Instead of going into that rut.
Go past it. Go.
Ooh, that was pretty bird.
Nice.
Wow.
Well, different space probably.
We got room. so we're going up this right now. So this thing's pretty big.
That thing is.
Oh Lord. Okay.
That looks like it's a challenge.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go up,
Around?
not around, but I think I'm gonna go up this
Oh, okay.
side.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, this looks very rough.
Hold up.
You
Yeah,
got it.
Emma, hold on. I think.
Oh yeah, that's right, baby.
Is that it?
Look at Daddy
Yep.
That
go.
looks way more. Like, that looks way more.
All right, guys, we did that. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool, man. To be able to get over stuff like that.
Yeah.
Look at that view right there.
Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell.
All right, we're in the rock garden. So
All rocks. This is crazy.
It sounds amazing. Go.
Jesus, look outside how big those rocks are. So these rocks are, it looks like some of them are, well, that ledge is 4 feet. Yeah, so this is some real deal Holyfield shit. Let's get it. We're gonna go this way. He's going over the crazy stuff, so.
Yeah, let's not try that.
Alright, let's not.
Well, watch him do it. Oh, Lord have mercy, very good.
We're good. Last time you came in from the side of it. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. I got him.
Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring.
All right, so this is 2 and 3 foot rock gullies. Holy shit.
We're gonna go into a tree. You're good.
That was gnarly.
Gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground. Sally up and bring Sally down. Last unstruck, gotta tell the ground.
down the mountain. You can see out there in the distance. So awesome.
Thank you.